Out of a new effort to fight the opioid crisis. Today, officials with the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment, as well as with the U.S. State Department, signed an agreement to help train other countries on how to fight fentanyl and other drugs. This is just one step in a growing plan to combat the synthetic opioid crisis. According to the National Institute of Drug Abuse, more than 70,000 people died in 2021 due to those drugs. The agreement was a major point of conversation at the City Summit of the Americas, which is happening right now in Denver. That's where we find our Karen Morfitt tonight. And Karen, this is a problem that goes well beyond our borders.
Absolutely, Michael, and absolutely. But Denver, and Colorado, unfortunately, have really been fighting this for several years. We have seen this, and the medical experts here in Denver have now become experts in detecting this drug very early on. They're now being sought out to help others do the same. While Denver health officials say overall drug overdose deaths are down, fentanyl is being linked to more of those cases.
At least an average of one a day.
Jim Caruso is the chief medical examiner for the city and county of Denver. He says his team has worked tirelessly to investigate overdose deaths and specifically look for fentanyl.
My investigators, my forensic pathologists, unfortunately, have tremendous amounts of experience in these types of deaths.
His team, along with others from Denver's Department of Health and Environment, will now take what they've learned and train their counterparts, law enforcement, and others in foreign countries. An agreement was signed with the Department of State, providing the support to do so.
We're really excited about having them go to Latin America in particular to help our partners down there who may not have the same experience with synthetic drugs and with fentanyl in particular, to know what to look for, to know how to investigate.
Maggie Nardi heads the State Department's Bureau of Narcotics. She says not only will they look to Denver for their investigative expertise, but also their work on prevention. Denver's Wellness Winnie, one example of their effort to bring resources into our communities.
This unit, the Wellness Winnie, is meant to be a welcoming atmosphere, a welcoming environment, a place where people can go to talk about whatever issues they may be facing with people that have lived experience.
And are you seeing more requests for Narcan now?
Nardi says the partnership will be an important tool in combating the growing crisis across the globe.
The only way to get ahead of it is by working together.
Now, travel dates and where the Denver team might be going have not been set yet. We will continue to follow this work and update you as soon as we know more. We're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.
Karen.